Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a brand new look at a new 2020 XLR Micro Boost 25 LRLE toy hauler trailer. So we're going to check this out on the inside and then head to the outside, show you a little bit more about it. As you can see here, we're looking toward the back of the coach. This is a pretty open floor plan as far as toy hauler section's concerned. Basically, your toys are in here when you're traveling. You take them out and kind of camp during the day. So it's not a separate garage model, but it is a smaller toy hauler unit. Dinette in the back has a movable table, so you can take it inside or outside, set it up on the party deck if you want. The little sofas there on each side will actually flip up out of the way against the walls. Convection microwave down below, 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover. You have a couple ball bearing drawer guide drawers there. Large farm sink, high-rise faucet. There's a 12-volt tank heater switch right there to keep you a little bit warmer in the wintertime. Also have the monitor panel and your water heater switch and stuff right there. Ducted air conditioning system. TV up there on that section. Electric fireplace, which is basically a nice fancy space heater. Norcold gas electric refrigerator. There's room here to put a chair or two if you want. The only problem with that, though, is you want to make it easy to maneuver that around if you're loading some toys up into here. Nice big window overlooking the campsite there. These windows do open, and they also have little blackout shades back here in this section. The electric box with your breakers and fuses down there. Propane leak detector also down there. Digital thermostat on the wall for the furnace and air conditioning system. Radio there. USB charger ports. Decent amount of room for a TV. Probably around a 32-inch roughly. And they kind of set it up so that mount can also go to the outside mount. You'll see when we get out there. So you could slide the TV off there and then take it right on outside. Indoor-outdoor speakers for the radio also. This takes you into the bathroom section here. Cornered glassed-in shower. Little medicine cabinet and sink, some storage below. Little skylight up there, little fan vent up there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these new RV videos. This takes you on into the master bedroom section here. You have closet on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinets, USB charger ports at the headboard up there. Electric outlet on both sides of the bed. Room to walk around. The bed does raise up for some storage underneath of there, which also goes to the outside storage compartment too. Again, guys, don't forget to check out couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. We're going to take a minute and run you through the outside of this new camper now. All right, guys, we're now on the outside of this new XLR Micro Boost 25 LRLE. We're going to take a few minutes to show you the outside. As you can see on the front here, you have a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane bottles with the bottle cover over top of it. There's room for a battery to go on the front. The battery is usually provided by the RV dealer, as the factories do not provide batteries. You can see the dry weight sticker located down here. It's 5,070 pounds is the dry weight of this camper, the way it sits. The unit is metal exterior, wood frame construction. You have a large pass-through storage compartment here. Some basic specs on the RV, basically telling you production dates, VIN numbers, 2 3,500-pound axles. Gross vehicle weight, which is axle weight and tongue weight combined, is 7,850 pounds. So you have roughly about 850 pounds of hitch weight there, give or take a little bit depending on what you put in there, but that does kind of vary a little bit. The unit is kind of a grayish siding with some blue and black trim. Detachable power cord located right here. Furnace exhaust out right there. Your city water and your black tank flush and your freshwater tank fill are located above the rear tire there. 6-gallon water heater right there. Your dump area for your gray and black tank is located there, and cable and satellite hookups are also located up there. Stove exhaust vent up there. The unit does have gutters running down both sides of the camper with the 3-inch extensions to just try and help keep it a little bit cleaner and shed away the water. I've got the ramp door down here. I didn't put up the party deck and stuff, but just wanted to kind of give you an idea what it looked like. It does have a party deck on it. The rails flip up, cables hold it into position. It has a screen on the back of it there that you can walk through. Arched roof for better water runoff, pre-wired for backup camera system if you wanted to do a backup camera on it. I would probably recommend the observation camera actually, because you can use that while driving down the road. LED running lights and tail lights there. Power awning has the blue LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting of water runoff. Has heavy-duty scissor jacks. The jacks basically kind of stabilize it and help you when loading. Little pet-friendly hook there. Outdoor speakers, outdoor TV hookups also. Nice big window overlooking the campsite area. Large entry handle. It has the nicer MORride steps. That just kind of comes down, touches the ground, makes it a little more stable when the kids are running in and out of there. Traditional screen door and RV door. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of our videos. CouchesRVNation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Solar prep there. Gas line hookup there for a portable grill if you wanted to do something along those lines. Just a quick view of the new Micro Boost.